In this AI solution, we'll use Terraform to generate dedicated clusters and a generative AI playground. This Terraform stack can be applied from the GitHub repo using the Deploy to Oracle Cloud button. We'll start by configuring our stack in the Oracle Cloud configuration page. We'll create a dedicated cluster for fine-tuning and one for hosting. We can select the type of host we're going to support. In this demo, we'll use Smallco here for both fine-tuning and hosting. We can set some parameters for our fine-tuned custom model here. Then we just click the Create button to deploy the stack. This can take some time. If we navigate to Analytics and AI, and then select Generative AI, we can see the progress of our Terraform operation. Once the stack is applied, you can see the created cluster. If you click on the dedicated cluster, we see that the cluster is fine-tuning for tuning our model. Now, if we click View in Playground, we can see the endpoint and our custom model. The model can be used from the playground or via other SDKs for the services, allowing for content generation, summarization, and editing with a variety of available models. You'll be able to view the code for this in both Java and Python. This solution makes getting started with Oracle Generative AI easy, and there's a lot to explore. Thanks for watching.